Hello everyone, bonjour. My name is Ayla and I'm a French language specialist at Vaughan Public Libraries where I work at the Pierre Burton Resource Library. Today I'd like to show you how to access and use the French content available on Tumblebooks. It's a free resource available online for kids through the library's website. Alors pour mes amis qui sont dans le programme de Fun with French par exemple, voici une ressource que vous pouvez utiliser chez vous pour pratiquer votre français. Okay, so we're going to start with how to access Tumblebooks. You can access the link to Tumblebooks from the library's website, which is vaughanpl.info. You can also just do a quick browser search for Vaughan Public Libraries, and that will bring up the website. So to start, you want to select the Books and Resources menu right here at the top of the page, and you want to scroll down to French. And then from the tabs here at the top of the French resources list, you want to select Downloads and Digital. And if you scroll down the page here, you'll go down to Tumblebook Library. So from the description here, Tumblebook Library offers an online collection of ebooks in French for kids. The books are animated and they include word highlighted narration, which I find really useful. You can also play different games and puzzles in French, and there's also different little tests or comprehension quizzes from the different books. Alors, pour mes amis qui veulent pratiquer leur français, Tumblebooks ou Tumble Biblio offre une collection en ligne de livres numériques pour vous. Les livres sont animés et ils incluent de la narration avec des mots soulignés. Il y a aussi des différents jeux et puzzles pour vous à jouer et il y a aussi des petits quiz ou tests de compréhension pour pratiquer votre compréhension des livres. There's lots of content available on Tumblebooks, but today I'd like to focus on Livres pour enfants, books for kids, which are my favorites in terms of the ebooks available on the site, as well as Casse-tête et Jeux, puzzles and games. These are the different games that are available to play on the site as well. Let's start with the Books for Kids tab. On va commencer avec la catégorie Livres pour enfants. So once on this tab, you'll notice that all of the available picture books have been organized into different categories. Vous pouvez voir que les albums illustrés disponibles sur le site sont organisés en différents sujets ou catégories. Alors, par exemple, si vous cherchez un livre avec le sujet de la famille et des amis, ou un livre qui contient des animaux aussi, vous pouvez faire une sélection. So if you're looking for a book that focuses on family and friends, or a book that features animals, or a book that's kind of like a fairy tale, a book that features on health and well-being, the books have been categorized into these different subjects. I now like to show you an example of an ebook on the site. Maintenant, je veux vous montrer un exemple de livre numérique sur le site et comment ça fonctionne. Alors, on va commencer avec Gabriella à l'école de la plage. So we're going to start with Gabriella à l'école de la plage. So I just like to highlight some features of the ebooks when you go to play them. So when you click on the link here, Regarder en ligne for the read online link, a new window will open up and it will play the book. And the book plays like a little video, so you're able to pause it as you're reading through it or watching the book. You can also kind of rewind and move forward as well in the book. And then you'll notice as you're reading the book or listening to it, kind of watching the video, you will see that text word highlight feature as the book is narrated, which again I find is a very useful feature. I'd like to make a mention about some technical aspects of the site. So Tumblebooks uses Adobe Flash Player to run all of its content. Some of your browsers might require you to turn on Adobe Flash Player, so you might receive a pop-up the first time that you access the site around here in the search bar, and you just need to enable Adobe Flash Player. I would recommend refreshing the page, and then you should be able to access all the content. I'd like to share with you my top picks or suggestions within the Livres pour enfants. J'aimerais partager avec vous mes suggestions et mes livres préférés dans les albums illustrés pour les enfants sur Tumblebooks. Alors, mes livres préférés sont les suivants. Gabriella à l'école de la plage, ici. J'aime aussi La petite fille et les loups, juste ici. Il y a aussi Le gros monstre qui aimait trop lire. Et finalement, j'aime aussi une petite histoire qui s'appelle Trop c'est trop. Et ça, c'est celui-là. The next part of the Tumblebook or Tumblebiblio site that I would like to highlight is the Casse-tête et Jeux, the puzzles and games section. So if we click on the tab here, that will bring us to this part of the website here. And if you scroll down, there's different options available for puzzles and games. Alors, il y a des différents jeux et casse-têtes ou puzzles qui sont disponibles pour vous à jouer et ils sont tous basés sur les histoires. So they're all kind of based on the different books that are available on the site, the different ebooks. Alors, par exemple, si vous avez lu Le Gros Monstre qui aimait trop lire, if you read this particular book here, Le Gros Monstre qui aimait trop lire, and if you wanted to play a game or a puzzle, you can do that. So let's check out what the puzzle looks like. So by clicking on the puzzle, it will again bring you to kind of like the landing page for the puzzle, and you just need to click on the link Jouer le jeu. Alors pour faire le puzzle, vous avez tout simplement besoin de cliquer sur le lien Jouer le jeu. Again, this will open up a new tab in your browser, and the puzzle will load. Alors voici le puzzle qui est en train de télécharger. Il faut créer le puzzle. So you have to create the puzzle here, and what you're doing is recreating the illustration or the front cover illustration of the book. So let's start with the corner piece, un morceau ici dans le coin. Voilà. Alors quand tu entends ce son ou ce bruit, ça veut dire que c'est la correcte place pour ce morceau. So whenever you hear kind of like this little spring sound, that means that the puzzle or that particular puzzle piece is in the right place. So where do you think this one goes? Maybe right here. Et voilà, voilà le son. And maybe let's try that one. No, not quite. Oh, voilà. And there you go. Alors, j'ai presque fini mon puzzle. I'm almost done my puzzle. Voici le dernier morceau. Here's the last piece. Et on verra qu'est-ce qui va arriver. Yay! Félicitations! Congratulations, you finished the puzzle. Alors ici, recommencer. This is restart. You can redo the puzzle by clicking on this button right here in the corner. Next, I'd like to show you the games that are available on Tumblebooks. The one particular game that is available is a memory or matching game. So in keeping with Le Gros Monstre qui aimait trop lire, on va essayer ce jeu ici. Let's try this game here. Alors, testez votre mémoire avec ce jeu Tumble. You have to test your memory with this Tumble game. So again, you just have to go to the link here, Jouer le jeu. And it will bring up a new video. The instructions are here. Les instructions sont ici. Et pour lancer le jeu, vous avez juste besoin de cliquer sur le bouton ici. You just need to click on this button here to launch the game. Alors, vous pouvez voir ici sur le côté, il y a le niveau, what level you're on, temps, how long it's taking you, kind of like it's actually a countdown rather. So you only have so many seconds to complete the matching game. Pointage keeps track of your points, and then tool shows you how many tries it takes for you to match the different cards here on the grid. So it's kind of like Go Fish. So let's start here. Lise. Okay, Lise, le titre. Where's the other one? Do you think here maybe? No, Fille. Okay, let's try this one. Le petit monstre, the little monster. And no, not much. What about this one? Another monster, but I don't think that was that one. Is he here? No. Fee, we saw Fee before, didn't we? So Fee, and was Fee this one? No, which one was Fee? Was it this one? No, that was Lisa. Is it this one? Lisa! Match point! Look at that. Okay, let's keep going. Zier. And no, le garçon. Where was Fee? That's gonna bug me now. Alors, le monstre. On l'a vu déjà. I feel like we saw him before. No. Oh, la fille. Histoire. I want to try and get one more match with you guys. Fee. Oh, where was Fee? Was Fee here? Yes! Et voilà. Now vous avez une autre match. You have another match right here. So as you can see, the time continues to count down. It shows you how many turns I've taken, combien de tours que j'ai fait, 9. Et après, vous pouvez continuer avec les niveaux. You can continue on with the levels. And I think it will get a little bit harder. Et je pense que tu as moins de temps. I believe you have less time as the levels go on. Alors, j'ai mon dernière association à faire. I've got my last match to make here. Zier and Zier. Ouais! Et vous avez complété l'illustration. You completed the drawing here. So, bravo. Niveau suivant. Next level. Et je pense que nous avons un peu moins de temps. I think we have a little bit less time. Finally, I'd like to show you the comprehension quizzes that are available on Tumblebooks. Finalement, je veux vous montrer les petites quiz de compréhension qui sont disponibles sur Tumblr. So, in keeping with our example of le gros monstre qui aimait trop lire, on va sélectionner ce livre ici. So again, this brings us to the landing page for the book, Le Gros Monstre qui aimait trop lire. And again, here on the left-hand side, on veut sélectionner Jeu questionnaire Tumble. You want to select this option right here with the purple option. And then again, you want to click on this link here for the quiz. This will open up a new tab again, Tumble Quiz, pour Le Gros Monstre qui aimait trop lire. And you can select between taking the full quiz or select a quick quiz. So let's go with the full quiz. So first question, où habite le gros monstre? At the end of the quiz, it will show you what your score is, and if you got some of the questions wrong, it will give you the right answers. Alors, ça va vous donner les bonnes réponses, et aussi en bas, vous pouvez imprimer vos résultats, vous pouvez reprendre le test, ou vous pouvez retourner. Et ça, c'est l'option pour le quiz. So there you have it. Those are my favorite features available on Tumblebooks, Livres pour enfants et casse-tête et jeux, the books for kids section, as well as the puzzles and games section. Tumblebooks also features different content that's available. Alors, il y a aussi d'autres contenus qui est disponible, par exemple, les romans pour les enfants, aussi les romans classiques. Il y a aussi les vidéos en français, qui sont des vidéos courtes, à peu près d'1 minute, de National Geographic sur des différents sujets. So there are also chapter books here available for older kids, as well as French video content. Each video is about a minute long, and they're from National Geographic on different subjects. Overall, I would say that the content that I've showed you today is best suited for kids 5 to 10 years old. But I mean, it's great for everyone. C'est vraiment une bonne ressource. C'est là pour vous pour pratiquer votre français. I hope that you enjoyed my Tumblebooks demonstration. J'espère que vous avez aimé ma petite démonstration du Tumble Biblio. Continuez à pratiquer votre français et j'espère qu'on se verra bientôt. Thank you for watching. Merci. Au revoir.